Welcome to Organic Remedies. Stick around until the end of the video for 2 recipes on how to use dandelions to make refreshing tea. Today we will go over the amazing health benefits of dandelions. Dandelions are those ordinary yellow flowers that are most likely taking over your backyard. The name dandelion comes from the French term dent de lion, meaning tooth of the lion. Dandelions have been used as food and as an herbal supplement for much of human history. Thought to have originated in Eurasia, the leaves and buds have been a traditional part of Asian and European cuisine for centuries. Some historians believe that dandelions were introduced into North America by some of the first European settlers in the 16th century. Now let's go over 8 amazing benefits of dandelions. 1. The entire plant is edible, including the flower, stems, leaves and roots. 2. This flower packs many vitamins, including vitamins A, C, K, calcium, potassium, iron and manganese, just to name a few. 3. Raw flowers can provide a health boost by supplying antioxidants which can aid in the detoxification of the liver. 4. Properties found in dandelions can assist in the body's fight against cancer. 5. Dandelions can help the body regulate blood sugar, giving it anti-diabetic properties. 6. The flower is great as an anti-inflammation supplement, assisting in the healing of swollen lymph nodes, cysts and abscesses. 7. Dandelions contain anti-angiogenic properties which aid the body in the repair of blood vessels. 8. Dandelions can be made into a topical paste to improve eczema in the skin. Now that you know how amazing dandelions are, let's go over 2 recipes for dandelion tea. When collecting dandelions, make sure to always harvest in a safe area away from where animals and pollution may affect the plants. The first recipe is roasted dandelion root tea. Roasted dandelion root tea tastes similar to coffee but does not contain caffeine, making it perfect for those who are cutting back on caffeine. How to make roasted dandelion root tea. Step 1. Harvest the dandelion, making sure to get as much of the root as possible. Cut off the roots just below the leaves and wash them with cold water at high pressure. Step 2. With clean roots, roast the roots on the stove at medium to high heat. Step 3. Make sure to stir often and keep the roots on the pan until they are dark brown but not burnt. Step 4. Grind the tea up into a powder or use them straight from the pan. Step 5. Place the grounds or roots in boiling water and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, then strain and serve. The second tea recipe is dandelion flower tea. Dandelion flower tea is cold and refreshing with a slightly sweet taste. This tea is perfect for hot summer days as it is best served chilled. How to make dandelion flower tea. Step 1. Harvest about a quart of dandelions. Step 2. Remove the flower portion of the plant and set aside the stems, leaves, and roots. Step 3. Place the flowers in a colander and with cool water rinse the flowers off very well. Step 4. Place the freshly washed flowers into a large bowl and add 2 cups of boiling water to the bowl. Step 5. Let the flowers sit in the water for 10 minutes. Step 6. Transfer the mix to a large glass pitcher and add additional water. Step 7. To give the tea a tangy taste, add 3 to 4 lemons or limes to the pitcher. Step 8. Lightly stir the mix and refrigerate for at least 3 hours or add ice to consume right away. When ready to serve, you can leave the flowers in, or strain them out. Make sure to consume the tea within 36 hours for optimal freshness. If you found my videos helpful and would like to learn more organic remedies, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.